Hey guys, welcome back to Basant's Kitchen. Today we are doing something really cool and something we haven't done before. We are doing an entire outdoor barbecue video. We're gonna make a big patty melt. I told you guys before, my favorite sandwiches are big, messy sandwiches, and patty melt is exactly that. What we do is we make a burger patty and it goes on grilled rye with sauteed onions and Swiss cheese. It is an all-time crowd pleaser and it is definitely Basant style. I'm gonna go over the ingredients and my stations really quick. We're gonna use Swiss cheese, we're gonna use diced onions, butter. I have about 2.5 pounds of 80/20 chopped meat. We have a can top. This is what I'm gonna use to make the burger patties. It's a really cool and simple thing. I'm gonna show you guys. And salt and pepper, rye bread. And for sides, with my patty melt, I like curly fries, onion rings, and regular fries. So whenever we're doing live events outdoor, there's a few things that we follow without any questions. That is having proper stations. You need to have your fry station, you need to have your flat top station, and you need to have your grill station. And that's exactly what I have put together here for you guys. So let's take a tour of it. I want to show you my fry station. We have the fries over here, we have the fryer, and it's ready to go. Over here, I have my charcoal grill or propane grill, which is ready to go. It's reading 350 close to 375. And here I have my flat top. Over here we're gonna grill the sandwiches, make the onions, and finish the product. Guys, it is an awesome recipe and it is a fun ride. So let's get it done, Basant style. I'm gonna start with the burger patties. I told you this is the top of a can, and I'm gonna take a piece of saran wrap and we're gonna take it out and level it just here. For me, a perfect burger is a 7-ounce burger. So this is about right. So what we do is you make a little ball, you put it right in the middle, and you have to factor in the wind, and you just press it in. Press it in. So you press it in good. Now, I want you to see this, is you pull one side out, and look at that. That's your perfect patty. As I showed you the process of making a simple hamburger patty, look how easy it was and look how gorgeous they came out. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna lift up the wax paper and we're gonna put them on the grill. Okay, so I'm gonna put the burgers down. The thing with wax paper is you can just put them on and you do not misshapen your burger. While the burgers are cooking, what we're gonna do is we're gonna start caramelizing the onions. I'm gonna put down some butter, maybe like 1.5 tablespoons. I'm gonna take my spatula, I'm gonna spread it around. And now we're just gonna add onions. And on low heat, it's gonna do its magic. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna add a little salt and pepper. So you wanna flavor the onions. A pinch or 2 taste. And now what you do is you mix it really good. And on slow heat, let them caramelize. And I love sauteed onions. While we wait for the onions and the burgers, what we're gonna do is we're gonna start frying. The thing about cooking outside or running any kind of event is that you have to cook simultaneously, 4 or 5 things at the same time. So you put the cover on and let it go. Check on the onions. They're cooking beautifully. You see a little bit of a color coming in. It's a slow process. You let it cook, keep turning them, and let them be. Flip the burgers really quick. Once we put them down, I don't like to touch the burgers that much. I like to let them cook on their own. I have the fries ready. I have the tray ready with the wax paper. We're gonna put it down. We're gonna let the fryer catch the temperature back up again. I'm gonna fry onion rings. Wow, burgers are coming out gorgeous. Look at my patty. It looks beautiful. Put on the onions really quick. Wow, look at this. These are almost ready. Now it's time to grill the bread because the burgers are almost ready too. So we're gonna put them on the side so they can keep cooking. Now I'm gonna show you really cool things. I drop onion rings. See, the trick with this is you never empty the bag in your fryer because all the extra crumbs, they fall in the bottom of the fryer and it ruins the oil. You don't want any of that. Put it in and that's it. Onion rings are ready. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a little butter on the bottom of the bread and we're gonna grill it on the flat top. Start with putting the bread butter side down on the grill. You want to make sure the grill is nice and hot so you can start grilling it and you get a nice caramelized color on the bottom of the bread. It's grilling. You're gonna add cheese because you want cheese to melt as the bread grills. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put the burgers back on the flat top so they can reheat really quick while the bread grills. And what I do is cut them in half. So we're gonna start plating the burgers on the bread or building a sandwich. So this is the bottom, this is the top. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring the caramelized onions in. Take a little, go right on top. Like I said, messy, awesome, not healthy, but the best sandwich in the world. Bottom, wow, look at that color. That's what you want. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna close. Look at that. Cheese is nice and melted. I personally prefer them super well done. The grilled bread, that is. And wow. Take them off the grill and so this is it, guys. The sandwiches are ready. They're big, they're messy, they're gorgeous. The color on the bread is beautiful. The patties are done amazingly, and I want to show you this. Wow, I love this sandwich. Guys, now we're gonna move on to my favorite part. We're gonna start plating Basant style. Cut them. So this is it, guys. The sandwiches are done. They look gorgeous. The burger patties, the grill marks, the melt itself is just gorgeous. We served it with a little 1,000-item dressing, ketchup, onion rings, and curly fries. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe because I had a great time making it. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and we will get you guys next time, Basant style. Hey guys, time to take it for a spin. Ketchup a lot, and I really like the outline dressing. Okay. Wow. The burger is on point. I'm gonna show you guys one more time. Check this out. This is what I like. Messy, big, unhealthy sandwich. This one style.